Hello everyone, this is Kazi here. Today we're going to calculate land surface temperature from Landsat image. For this tutorial, I'm using Landsat 5 image, and for the calculation I need two raster packages, two packages. One is raster and another is RS toolbox. As I already have installed it, now I'm going to import these two packages. And now here I have created a temporary directory. Though it is not really necessary for this calculation, but if you are working with a large size raster image, then I'm suggesting you to create a temporary directory. Now I'm importing the metadata of my Landsat image and a small area shapefile so that I can cut my raster into a small piece so that my calculation gets smoother and faster. Now I have created a stacked raster from the metadata and clipped it with my study area. Here is the raster clipped by my region of interest, and as you can see, this is still an uncorrected image, so I need to estimate haze for radiometric correction. And now after this correction, I will radiometrically correct this Landsat raster, and I'm gonna use simple DOS method for this, which is dark object subtraction. You can find other methods as well from the documentation of Bradco's function, which can be found from by simply putting a question mark and simply write down the function name. If you run this function, you will see there are other methods for this calculation. Okay, let's back to my calculation here. Now so I haven't calculated corrected radiometric correction corrected image. So now here I have calculated corrected the image, and now you can plot this corrected image here. Though it doesn't really show a significant difference from the previous image, I think it's because I have only selected a smaller areas, and if you work with the whole image, you will definitely see some uh, visual changes over visual changes of these two images before and after correction. So now let me calculate anti-VI from this raster. Here you can see these yellow patches here are low vegetated areas, and other areas are mostly agriculture and homestead vegetated areas with high green surface. Now I will calculate proportion of vegetation from the NDVI. Here is my proportion of vegetation, and from the proportion of vegetation I will calculate emissivity from my area. So, and this emissivity will be used to calculate my final land surface temperature file, and this is the function here. As you can see, it will provide a raster file, land surface temperature raster in degrees Celsius, and this calculation is for Landsat 5 images. As you can see here, this is my land surface temperature. This yellow patches, which is the high temperature zone, as you have seen previously, These are the zones with low vegetation. Now you can see these are the areas with high temperature. So this is our final land surface temperature raster. You can export it using the